Lunch guys. May lunch yung natin. Tuna and paratha. Arabic food. So ipalaman natin siya. Ayan, palaman. Mas marami, masarap. Charap. Ayan. And then, food natin. Food. So, dalawang piraso. Ouch! Init. Lunch. And tea. 1 month no rice. Challenge. 1 month no rice, guys.